If you've ever opened the Steam store and felt overwhelmed by the number of games, this video is going to help a lot. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Steam search filters so you can quickly narrow down games by price, genre, features, operating system, and player support. This is a super useful trick, whether you're trying to find the best deals, discover hidden gems, or just cut through the noise and get straight to the games you actually want. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Steam store in your browser or from the Steam client. Once you're on the store, you can start by searching for a game, or you can click directly on any category or tag page if you want to browse by genre or theme. After you do that, a game list page will open, and this is where the filters become really useful. Now scroll down just a little bit on the page. You don't need to go far, because the filter section is usually easy to find. Look over to the right side of the game list, and you'll see the available filters for that page. This is where Steam lets you narrow things down based on what matters to you. You'll usually see options for price, genre, features, operating system, and player support. If you're shopping on a budget, price filters are a great place to start. You can quickly remove games that are outside your range and focus only on the ones that fit your budget. If you already know what kind of game you want, genre filters can help you sort through action, adventure, strategy, simulation, RPGs, and more. That makes it much easier to get to the type of game you're actually looking for without wasting time scrolling through everything. Feature filters are also really helpful. These can include things like single player, multiplayer, co-op, controller support, and other gameplay or hardware-related options. If you want a game that works a certain way, this is one of the fastest filters to use. Operating system filters are especially important if you're not using Windows. Steam can show you games based on whether they support Windows, Mac, or Linux, so you don't accidentally click on something you can't run. Player support filters help you narrow down games based on how many people can play, whether it's local play, online play, or other support options. Once you see a filter you want, just click or check the option you want to apply. Steam will update the game list automatically based on the filters you selected, so there's no extra save button or complicated setup. The results refresh right away, which makes the whole process fast and easy. If you want to fine-tune your search even more, you can combine multiple filters together. For example, you could look for discounted co-op games on your operating system or narrow down strategy games with controller support. That's what makes Steam search filters so powerful. They help you go from a massive store page to a much more personalized list in just a few clicks. Once you get used to using them, finding new games on Steam becomes a lot faster and a lot less frustrating. And that's really all there is to it. Open the Steam store, go to a game list page, scroll to the filter section on the right, choose the options you want, and let Steam do the rest. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.